What's up everybody, what's good? I'm Joe, this is Mod to Excel, and we're going to take a look at the Hipster by JuJuBe. And I'm going to look at it in the brand new print Honeydukes. So let's go. This is the Hipster. Now, I have not actually reviewed this bag yet, so this is my first time review. First time actually getting a hold of this bag. And well, you're asking what kind of bag is it? Dude, it's a fanny pack. So let's talk about a couple of the features with this bag. First things first. It has a non-removable strap, and it is the seatbelt material, which is really cool. And it comes with a very nice heavy metal buckle. Like, look at this thing. This thing. That thing could knock someone's out. It has a good click, good functionality. I don't have to worry about this becoming done or undone. Quite honest with you, man, I would have loved this clip on other messenger straps. I'm just saying. This bag itself has a lot of pockets for storage. It's actually pretty decently sized. I would say if you are on the go vlogger or blogger, you could easily fit a GoPro and a handle in here, maybe a small Sony like A6400 because they're very small and you have smaller lenses. I tried with my Nikon Z6 with an FTZ adapter and my 50mm, and this thing was not budging at all. It would not fit. But for a smaller body camera, I think you could really use this very well. Now, other cool things about this, let's talk about the bag itself. So this is the Honeydukes, so it has the traditional Harry Potter sewn in patch or emblem versus like a JuJuBe other type of like emblem or logo. It has over like 5 or 6 different pockets. So one of the first pockets is the one on the front. You can see it all has the PVC zippers. There's no like metal zipper or anything like that in here. The first pocket, when you open that up, it's a small little pocket where you can store like maybe quick essentials. Maybe you want to put like cough drops, mints, snacks, some change or something like that. You can put those in here. Second pocket, when you open that up, the second pocket does not have a hardware pull. However, when you open that up, it actually has more room, so you could put in maybe like if you have makeup, a compact or something like that. It also has a space for cards, so you could put an actual like a debit card, a photo ID in here. And there's actually 3 different slots, so it would help you if you want to replace a wallet. You can also fit a coin purse or a small set piece in here as well for additional compartmentalization. Now, the Hipster itself has 2 different side pockets here. They're very small, so you can put like snacks in here. So not even snacks, but like small little like coins, fidgets, stuff like that. Here's where I say why I would use it for in companion with like a camera bag. You could wear this cross body or over the shoulder, and you could just really quick rotate and pull it. On the back, on the top here is a small hidden pocket for a cell phone or tech device, and it actually has microcloth in here as well, so you don't have to worry about scratching your device. On the back, it actually has the same traditional mesh backing like a Be Right Back. So when it's against your body, it does have good significant airflow than a standard just flat canvas. So that's pretty cool. Strap wise, this can go as far as about 44 inches, or maybe a little bit more. I know this because I tested wearing this around my waist as an actual fanny pack. I wear a size 44 in jeans. It fit very well. I was pretty stoked about it. Let's talk about the interior. The big main pocket actually has 2 hardware zipper pulls, and it opens up to some pretty spacious area. You have a total of 3 pockets. You have the mesh zippered pocket up top here, 2 fabric pull out pockets. You have a main compartment, and you also have a key fob holder that stretches. So you can really put a lot of things in here, whether you actually want to carry a wallet with yourself, different, products, hygiene products, whatever, toilet wipes, feminine products, whatever you need, you can put that in here. I do wish that the bag itself was a little bit wider on the bottom, because it's almost like a triangle where on the inside, it actually have the top, and then like let's say this is the front, it comes down to a point. I wish it was a little bit more of like a 4-sided, I forgot the name of the actual shape, but that would definitely give me more room to put like an actual camera or something like that in there. But I'm going to show you some other cool uses and how I would use this as my photography companion bag. So stay tuned. We're going to take a quick second just to remind you guys, if you'd like this content and like these videos, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Now, let's get back into it. So here is exactly what I'm talking about. This is going to be my go-to over the shoulder or crossbody sling for camera bag. Now I packed this up. It's actually pretty packed, surprisingly, in order to carry some of the gear. So like right now, this front pocket is perfect for your memory cards. If you want to keep different memory cards, like I have a SD card right now, but I could put a CF Express or XQD card in the slot. I could fit a couple of them in this front pocket, no problem. In this front, also the second pocket, I actually have a small set piece. In this small set piece, what I actually carry inside, I have my camera pen cleaner, which is the multi-tool cleaner. I also have microfiber cloth, so I can do some cleaning as well, and also some cleaner for like the LCD screen. So I carry all that in my little small set piece, and that fits perfectly in that front pocket with room for like my ID or photo card, bank card, whatever. So here's what I was talking about. So right now I have my AirPods in this pocket, which fit very well, and I'm sure AirPods Pro would fit as well. I actually have a Nikon Z6 Z7 battery, if I can squeeze that out here. So I would actually put extra batteries in here. So I actually have, this is the ENEL15B. I actually have the little cap on, but it fits pretty snug in here. So if I want to carry an extra battery or two, I have one, two, and I can just do quick charge in, out, boom, pop in my camera and go. I also carry my cell phone, so especially if I'm in an event where I don't want to carry my phone in my pocket, I have it here and I'm ready to go. So my big pocket actually carry my air compressor or blower. So when I want to clean out the lens or the sensor area, especially if I'm out in between switching lenses and I don't want dust in the lens, I carry this with me, so that's always with me. And I also carry different filters and mounts for the filters. So like I have my ND filter here, and I actually have different lens size adapters for it, and I keep that in here as well. I'd also put my keys, but I left my keys downstairs. But these are just some of the things that, especially when I'm running around and I don't want to carry a huge bag when I shoot, I could put some of those things in here so they're quick and accessible for when I need to, especially like batteries and SD cards and cleaning materials. Like I have it at my disposal right away, versus if I was carrying multiple lenses in a backpack and I want to switch out lenses. Or if I had multiple cameras, I could still run with those multiple cameras, but I have all my cleaning and main utilities here. So that's how I would use it. I'd be like Batman with my utility belt. So even though I really personally cringe at fanny packs, I really think that the Hipster, when I open my mind up to really think about it, the Hipster is a really good option to have. Like I said, I think probably my biggest things would be if I can take the idea of the Hipster as a crossbody. That definitely works. I would almost ask for an option where it was just slightly bigger. Like even if it was more like a sling bag. I think a sling bag would be an amazing choice for parents that does crossbody, like those sling one strap backpacks. Something like that, being inspired by a Hipster, would be amazing. But otherwise, for now, the Hipster actually works. And just those quick little uses, I would definitely use this not as a traditional fanny pack, but I would use this as like a sling bag for my small camera gear. And I think a lot of photographers are parents that vlog or want to carry different accessories, especially when you're going around with your kids and you're trying to capture like their moments and stuff like that. This is going to be a very underrated bag for those usages, but it could be a dominant game changer. And the fact that it's machine washable at the end of the day makes it even better, because you could get more uses, especially if you go to different environments. So I would definitely recommend the Hipster. Even though I want more, I think the Hipster is a great choice if you want a companion bag. And that's going to be it for us today. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more. I'm going to put a link to my latest video here where I actually go more in depth and do a quick full look at the Honeydukes print. If you want to see more videos about me and how I use my JuJuBe outside of just my kids and more in my camera photography realm, make sure you leave a comment and let me know what would you like to see. Otherwise, I'm Joe, you've watched Untitled Chapter, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.